at you. Lots of birds up there. Okay, I'm gonna catch you. Faster. Come on. Birds over there. Oh. Birds over there. Okay, go. Go. Birds over there. Go. Go. Keep going. Where'd the bird go? Go over there. Lots of birds. Go. Keep going. Lots of birds over there. Oh, lots of birds. Come on. Catch those birds. Catch those birds. He wants to catch those birds. Okay, let's see if we can catch one of them, Be. Ooh. Uh-oh. There's another one. Oh, flying away one. Ah. Ah, you didn't catch one of them. No, did you? Nope. No. They can fly. You can run, but they can fly. Another one. Okay. Get it. Yeah, get it. Oh, well, lots of birds today. Oh, not here, no? Lots of birds. He really enjoys watching the birds. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, flying away, man. Did you catch one of them? No, Mama. You enjoy. Oh, oh, careful. Get up. Oh, more on the area there. Okay, move forward. Over there. Okay, move. Move. More birds over there. Keep going. Come on, keep going. Keep going. Come on. More birds this way. And more birds that way. I can see birds. Okay, more birds. Right there. Okay, keep going. Right there. Nah, flew away again. They're scared of you, my love. They don't want to be caught. Now they are gone. Are gone, man.